Hello friends, I am Dr. Ankit Mishram. I am a government veterinary surgeon. Today we talk about how to prevent and treat of milk fever in dairy cattle and buffalo. What to do? Milk fever is an important and life-threatening metabolic disorder of cattle and buffalo, and if it is not attended in perfect time, the animal may die. So we need to discuss about it. Milk fever is occur due to hypocalcemia that occur within a few hours of calving and is clinically characterized by general muscular weakness, recumbency, circulatory collapse, and depression of consciousness. This is the second stage of milk fever. An animal can no longer stand and present in external recumbency, tachycardia, and cow often tuck their head into their flank. Difficulty in standing, head bob, muscular tremors, reduced appetite, reduced ruminal activity, and the temperature remain within the normal range. Animal may have difficulty and inability to urinate or defecate. And the oral feeding of calcium gel and then can be attempted if the animal is in the first stage, and then if C does not respond, then intravenous administration of calcium borogluconate is suggested. A general route for dosing is 1 gram of calcium per 45 kg of body weight. The animal respond within 20 minutes. Stand up. If no response is seen in 12 hours, administration may be repeated. Response to their therapy is very fast. Calcium should be warmed in cold weather and given slow IV. Don't mix any other medicine, and calcium should think of correct phosphorus administration because the phosphorus is also low in many animals. And now we talk about prevention, and the first thing you should advise to their farmer is don't milk the udder completely for 2 to 3 days, and vitamin D injection can be given 1 week prepartum. Oral feeding of 10 to 15 gram magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, or ammonium chloride with feed 2 to 4 days prepartum, but monitor the urinary pH. Calcium propionate can be feed 500 gram dissolved in 8 to 10 liters of water, can be administration postpartum. So friends, I hope there will be helpful to you in treating and preventing hypocalcemia or milk fever in dairy cattle. Thank you.